What does the future of farming look like? In India, nearly 40% of our population works in agriculture. And yet, when was the last time that your fruits and vegetables tasted truly fresh and felt healthy and clean? Modern agriculture has become a race that prioritizes yield over quality. Mass production is often only possible with heavy use of fertilizers, pesticides, and preservatives. Everything on this table is made from vegetables grown using a method called hydroponics, which is a technique of growing plants without the use of any soil. Hydroponics gives consistent year-round produce, which is generally higher in nutrition, better in taste, and cleaner than traditionally grown produce. In hydroponics, plants get everything they need directly from nutrient-rich water instead of soil, which makes it a cleaner and better way of growing plants. In this space, we grow 4,000 plants in just 400 square feet of floor space, something that would easily require 5 to 7 times more on a traditional farm. This is our polyhouse, located just outside Mumbai. Here we use protected cultivation and hydroponics to grow the freshest and best possible produce. We are one of India's premier hydroponics companies, helping people eat better and pushing the boundaries of sustainable farming while running a successful business. Now, here's the thing. Hydroponics isn't something new. It's been there for decades. In the rest of the world, it's been popular, proven, and deeply effective. But in India, it is still in its early stages. And we thought that needs to change. And therefore, we created the Max Green Academy to teach everyone everything they need to know to start their hydroponics journey. We have curated this course from 4 years of our experience of running a hydroponics business. This is knowledge you won't find anywhere else.
Course fee CE Module 1 Video A Short 1 Take 1.
Action.
Hello everyone. My name is Garvit Ahuja and I work with Max Green Farms. Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Hydroponics.